Hello fine people and welcome back to another episode. Basically what I'm doing here is I'm doing a frame for a workbench and eventually I will make legs and everything for it and set it up in my workshop. So welcome back and enjoy this little video of mine. So we are basically done now. Painted a bit, but I didn't have enough paint, but I think it looks pretty okay. I will place a board over here as well, a wooden board, and like half of it will be a metal plate over it. Bringing it up to my workshop and we are done with that. I hope it will fit in good as well. I guess it will be okay. So I'm leaving now. I have other duties, very fun duties. I have to clean my apartment now. You know, fuck that. We will take it up another day. See you. Well, do you wanna see something? So I will show you now what I've been doing. Look here. Let me go a bit back. Look guys. I've been sorting and fixing a lot. This is my bench, you know. I was making at my job. So you see that wooden board here is here. That one is stuck to my frame now, but I have not yet locked this down, how you can say it. And this is my meh. I have just been fixing a bit, sharpening my tools. So there you go, a bit better organized. I have all my screws under there, in all boxes and everything, and some tools. So that is what we've been doing. So I'm pretty happy with this. But I have not yet had time today to work with my car. And I think I will go down now and do something with that one. With my holy car. Oh, it's sharpened and good. So this is what I will be doing now. I will be removing some of this. So let's do it. So I'm removing the, you know, for the spring here, and I'm gonna remove the dampener as well. Apparently I just needed strength to remove it. It looked like this. And I just pulled and pulled until it... well, that one was much easier. And the dampener is gone. In here I will need to do a little bit of fix. Oh, not looking too good. Oh, can you see? So guys, why am I always doing this? It's like... no. Okay, so we have cleaning under protection thingy, and I can I can show you how it's going. Okay, a few hours later, you see we cleaned a lot, and behind there we removed some stuff. Shopping, and welcome back to the car. A bit of time skip here. What do you think we've been doing? So, look here. So, we removed this steel here, or the metal plate. We cut this section off. As you can see, it's a bit rusty behind there, but looking good further in. And over there, we also cut a section off because it was too rusty. I can show you. How can I see there? Pretty crusty, but not too much. And I did the same thing on this side. Too bad, but I had to. But this side is a bit better. And we removed this section here, this plate here. I have it there. As you can see on this side, it is actually looking pretty good. But I saw some indication of rust behind it. So I wanted to. As this one is looking pretty good, but as you can see, here is very good actually. Very good. But here you can see I will need to grind and hopefully it's not rusted through. But now we can fix this completely fine, and we have a lot of space to get to those small areas, hard areas when we remove this. So that is actually what I've been doing now. And I also removed this over here, as I forgot to say, because it was pretty rusty. I have it here, as you can see here. Here it is. And I guess some areas needs fixing, and I have a spare one also in better condition. If I can reuse this, you will see. But that's what we've been doing now. So, and at the same time, I had a lot of side missions, like pimping my workshop and making it sexy as hell with those lamps I'm remaking here. And you will see the final product soon. And yes. Ta-da! I need some lighting for my little workshop as well. Some gay shit, but that will do. And if you wonder why I'm so small, it's because I have a sun chair as my work chair. And there we go. Shadam! Oh, cozy and gay. Oof. I like that. Let's see if I can put those guys in the windows, maybe. There we go. Looking pretty good, guys. Don't you think? And some side mission have been done, and some car working have been done. And I guess we are done for this time. So thank you for watching, and wait. And I hope you can see me, because the GoPro have a shitty dark vision. Yes. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. And guys, do do you believe I will ever be completed with this project of mine? Well, you can always follow me and see if I do. And once again, thank you for watching and subscribe if you like. Bye.